You guys will recognize this as an intake bladder for smoke machine use, right? So this is for the budget-minded. Arguably, the gold standard in this kind of stuff is this red line product. Now you can shop this thing around a bit, but bottom line, it's going to end up costing you around 200 bucks, shipping and tax included. This was $27.50 Canadian, all in. There are many offerings in this price range on AliExpress. I went with this because they stipulated it was the Autool brand, same brand as this breakout box that I featured a couple of videos back, and that I was so impressed with the quality. For one thing, they stipulate that this is silicone rubber, which on some of the other offerings are not so quick to clarify. I'm going to provide a link to that video in the description box. Notice the lopsided inflation budget bladders on the table, and that's a Redline brand in his left hand with a ruptured bladder. Here's a better look. Now Redline sent him 2 replacement tubes, which he carefully and properly installed. And how did it perform with that new replacement tube? Remember, this is the $200 option. And here's my $27 Autool option. That's pretty much max inflation. Not too bad for offset. I think this is a viable option for a intake bladder. Short video. Take care, guys.